Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to unbox Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim external hard disk. Coming to the box, this I have bought it on Amazon for 7,000 rupees and this is a 2 TB version. And coming to the box, and at the bottom it can be accessed for mobiles and also even for laptops, and it also supports two platforms as well as Mac as well as Windows. Given here, this hard disk supports USB 2.0 as well as 3.0. This has been provided with 1 year warranty and 2 years additional recovery data service as well. While coming to the box and opening this, we have a small documentation with this box, and while going into deep, we have the device inserted inside very safely. And this is the hard disk, which is silver plated one side and the other side is of another fiber metal. This is a very super slim device and has very low weight. The texture design at the top is very attractive with this silver coating. On the silver coating, we have the Seagate logo at the left top, and the right bottom we have the indicator, and at the bottom we have the port. I also got this data cable with this pretty hard disk. As per build quality and as per the sleek design, this Seagate hard disk is very good. Now we are going to check the performance of this hard disk. Let's go and connect to the system.
Yeah, now I've connected to the system. Generally, Mac as well as Windows has their own file format system, whereas this hard disk is provided with a tool which helps us to read as well as write at the both platforms. People who does not use the individual file format systems can go with this tool. This can help at the both platforms across the range. I always recommend the native file format system because it is safe as well as secure. Now we are going to install the tool. The tool installation is in progress. Yep, installing is done. Now it's asking us to restart. Yep, finally we are going to open the tool. On the left we can see the drive. This is the total interface of the tool. And at the right we have three options. That is the unmount option, which means to eject the device, and the verify as well as the erase, where we can erase the data with the device. We can see the status, memory status, which is of 2 TB over there. Now we are going to see how to use this device on Mac platform without it. Now open the disk utility. You can see some drives on the left. RK 2 TB is my drive. I have done format at the before. Now at the right, by clicking on erase and typing the name, selecting the format, and the last one is Windows NT file system, which supports both platforms, and the top one is Mac OS external journal. By clicking on erase, we got a pop-up for time machine backup. We are clicking on decide later. Format has been done. The formatting has been done and the drive is ready on our name. Let's go to speed test now. Open Spotlight search and search for Blackmagic Speed Test 2. Select the drive and open, and click on start. The write speed is 120.7 MB per second. 127.2 MB per second is the read speed.
Performance of this hard disk is very good, and it also provides value for your money. It is a very good one according to the budget in this segment. And coming to the advantages, the sleek design and the handy nature of this hard disk is a very good advantage, as well as the same has one more disadvantage, that is sleek design itself. It would have been given a stout look and a major grippy texture for that. That could not be slippery and would be very travel mounted as well. The slim design is also a major advantage, as this hard disk have and also lead to break. It would have given a stout as well as a grippy surface as a texture. But we have a solution. That is nothing but the case in which we can accommodate this sleek design hard disk as well. This may protect. When I open this, I have two slots in this in which we can accommodate our hard disk and the data cable at the other side. Now this case becomes very handy to hold and handle this. This may protect your mass storage as well. I strongly recommend this case. This will absolutely protect our data as well as our hard disk. Finally, this Seagate hard disk is worth for your money. I strongly recommend this device for your major storage. This is my close unboxing review of the Seagate Backup Plus Slim storage device.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.